Hi everyone, Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello here. The forecast remains on track for a little bit of wintry weather later tonight and into Thursday morning before everyone transitions over to rain showers. We are under that winter weather advisory still for inland spots as we prepare for potentially some travel impacts. That's what that means. It's inland areas. That stretches all the way up into Boston, Worcester, Hartford, all under that winter weather advisory from late tonight Thursday. So as far as travel impacts locally, we're going to be fine this evening and the early part of the night tonight, but after about 2 or 3 in the morning is when we'll have some poor travel that will extend into the first hour or two of the morning commute. As the commute continues, the changeover to plain rain will be underway. Now it happens almost immediately at the coastline, but it takes longer the further north that you are, and so those travel impacts could last even throughout the entire morning in far northwestern Rhode Island. By afternoon, though, expecting just some rain showers. The forecast for the rest of this afternoon, other than a sprinkle or flurry, is going to be dry, mainly cloudy, and a cooler day today, highs into the lower 40s. Then overnight tonight, I expect us to drop to near or below freezing, and after 2, 3 o'clock in the morning is when that wintry mix will be moving in. So here's an hour-by-hour look at the forecast. 5 o'clock this evening, upper 30s to around 40, and then at 11 o'clock, we're down to the low to mid-30s under cloudy skies. Here comes that wintry weather. Notice at the coastline, mainly rainfall. The pinks and the blues, though, that's the wintry weather. Could see some wet snowfall inland areas. The further closer to the coast you go, that's more of sleet and freezing rain that's a concern, and the temperatures will be slow to climb. So by 9 o'clock in the morning, we're all up above freezing, but it's those hours of the morning commute where you're going to have to watch for some slippery travel conditions. I still think it'll be passable, but you will need some extra caution. So here's what we're expecting. As far as any snow or sleet accumulations, nothing more than a slushy coating well inland. As far as ice goes, go get a thin glaze on untreated surfaces, but rain is the highest accumulation, 1 to 2.5 inches of rainfall. That actually comes mostly with the second batch of precipitation that's going to be moving in on Thursday night. So here's that heavy rainfall during the night and into Friday morning. It's the kind that can cause some localized street and poor drainage flooding. There may actually be some isolated thunderstorms embedded within it as well, and gusty winds. So going to be quite a couple of days ahead of us. Scattered showers will taper off Friday afternoon and evening as colder air is coming in behind that low. Temperatures will drop, and we could see briefly a couple of snow showers. I'm not as concerned about that around here. Skies will be dry, clear, and much colder heading into Friday night. So that's what's ahead of us. 40 degrees for your high on Thursday. We stay near 40 overnight, briefly hitting highs in some spots, especially near the coastline, to around 50 or so, and then the temperatures will start to drop Friday afternoon. You can get the full forecast on the detailed weather page right here on WPRI.com.